So this is Wednesday, the 1st of October, 2025, here in Esparto, California. As usual, we're on the eastern side of Esparto. I'm looking right where the sun is actually rising, or has already just risen right now, but we cannot see any sight of the sun because of all the clouds. There is a little bit of lightening of the sky over there, but that's not exactly where the sun is. But we'll just look around, and here is Esparto coming into view with our friendly cows and some clouds in front of the mountains here. Just again, it's a very, very lovely but very different view than we've had usually. So we'll just look at where the sun will rise. And I wanted to speak only a little bit about the I am presence today. I've been mentioning it, and I have not prepared anything to say, but the I am presence means God, but in a different way of speaking, in which we understand our unity with God. So we recite these affirmations in this I am movement that is called I am light, I am love, I am truth, I am beauty. Or I am love, I am light, I am truth, I am beauty, I am happiness, I am compassion, I am mercy. All the wonderful qualities that we would like to attain, we talk about like that. So it's a wonderful, very, very positive attitude. And although the sky is brightening a little bit over to the east here, no chance, I think, we'll see the sun this morning. But even when there's no sun visible, the light is present. So the light of truth is in our hearts, and God is in our hearts. That's really the message of the I am movement. Okay. I am light. I am love. I am happiness. I am beauty.